I'm Linda. I'm a software engineering program manager here at Lumafield. Today, we're going to take a few minutes to look at our collaboration features on the Lumafield Voyager software. So taking a look at this particular scan, we have a plastic hinge bolt, and we are seeing some detected porosity. So I'm going to go ahead and create a bookmark just so that I can refer back to it later. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at, potentially other slides. So I see another one towards the lower left here. So I'm going to go ahead and create this bookmark. I'm also going to take a look at the 3D view of porosity and just kind of see how potentially big this pore is. And I'm also going to go ahead and bookmark this. So as you're creating the bookmarks, they are creating towards over here on the left panel. And you'll see over on the right, I can actually comment on this. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a comment and say, looks a bit bigger than we expected. Add a comment, save it, and then you'll see that particular comment. If I wanted to go back, I can go ahead and edit it. I can also delete it if I wanted to add additional thoughts. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch and make sure, one of my coworkers can actually see this. So I'm actually going to go ahead and add a user to this project. And go ahead, and that will auto send an email for my coworker to take a look at. And she'll also be able to see these bookmarks and the comments that I've left. Coming back to the dashboard, I actually have quite a few scans and I want a way to organize them. So you'll see in the lower left-hand corner that there's a lovely little button called New Folder. I'm just going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to create a folder called Ready for Vendor Review. And I'm going to go ahead and add that hinge bolt to that. There we go. All right. And folder is created with the project that is ready for a vendor to review it. If you mistype or misspell anything, you can go ahead and rename the folder as well, and go ahead and right click and you will see options to rename. Let's take a look at how you can set a custom thumbnail yourself. So looking at our hinge bolt, you can see I actually really like seeing the porosity here. So I'm going to go ahead and make this the thumbnail. So in the upper right-hand corner, you will see settings, and you will take a look at the current thumbnail. So if you want to update this, go ahead and capture. And you'll see a preview of what does that thumbnail look like. And I'm going to go ahead and save. So these are a few of the tools that Lumafield's Voyager software can offer to help you collaborate more effectively and organize your projects.